I'm a little late to the game. But as I say, better late than never, right? What's up, guys? How you doing? My name is David Franco, and welcome back to another tech unboxing with plenty more tech unboxings on the way, including the GoPro Hero 10, my 14-inch MacBook Pro, which could be here by next week, amongst other things. I've been spending a lot of money trying to get caught up on treating myself, let's just say that, before 2021 officially comes to a close. Anyway, I was going to unbox this tomorrow. I know, I'm very, very patient. Yes, I get a lot of people telling me that all the time. I've just learned patience, you know? I mean, it's not like I need to use these right now. But with that said, shout out to the AirPods 3, or AirPods 3rd generation, as Apple's calling them. Those AirPods are kind of what convinced me to finally buy the AirPods Pro, because not only did a viewer, I'm sorry, I don't know your name right now, tell me that I could save $50 on these on Amazon. Yeah, I mean, once you factor in that discount, you're getting a much better deal with the AirPods Pro than you are the AirPods 3rd generation. And guys, keep in mind, with the AirPods Pro, you're getting noise cancellation and transparency mode. Those two features you do not get with AirPods 3rd generation. So that's pretty much what convinced me. I mean, I saved $50. Technically, I saved about $100 because I used my $50 Apple Cash. So I got these for cheap, which is awesome. Keep in mind, I have not even experienced spatial audio yet. So that's what really convinced me. You know, besides going to my MacBook Pro setup soon, well, because I want to introduce more wireless audio into my setup because I'm not going to have speakers anymore. Yes, I'm not going to have dedicated speakers because my iMac has speakers, but the MacBook Pro, once it's in clamshell mode, because I'm using it as a desktop primarily, what am I going to do? Put these big ass ugly speakers on my desk? Hell no, not about that life. No, not for me, at least not anymore. So AirPods Pro are going to be awesome. But not only that, and then I promise I'll get to the unboxing, I promise. I think I'm going to treat myself to the Sony XM4s. So, if you guys have the Sony XM4s, let me know, alright? Let me know. What's up, Z? How you doing? I know, I'll feed you. Anyway, guys, this is a very simple unboxing, but I do want to give you my initial impressions of spatial audio. Maybe in this video, maybe in my next video, I don't know. It depends how quickly I can find some spatial audio to test with. Alright, so here we go. AirPods Pro. I got it. Type box. Designed by Apple in California. Also, I'm using my video lights. How do they look? Oh, and guys, that's another thing. I'm also getting a new camera so I can make videos like I do in my gaming room, but down here, because now that I have some proper lighting and my desk is better positioned to make videos like this on the regular, I mean, I figured why not get myself a decent camera. So stay tuned, guys. The video quality is about to look a lot better. Alright, so here we go. Let's see what we get here. AirPods Pro, not AirPod Pros. Can we stop making up product names, please? Stop calling it AirPod Pros. They're AirPods Pro. Just saying, it triggers me. Do you get Apple stickers? I don't think you do. I think it's more of a Mac and iPad thing. Alright, so here we go. Oh, and by the way, I did not go with the MagSafe version. Well, because Amazon wasn't selling that version, and honestly, MagSafe is as important to me as buying an Android phone is. It's cool, it's an option, but MagSafe really doesn't do all that much for me. I mean, especially with this, I don't mind plugging in to charge the case or wirelessly charging. Guys, I have the first gen AirPods, which do not wirelessly charge. So everything about this is brand new to me. Okay, here's the case. Very nice. Let's take that plastic off. Oh, baby. I've always loved the AirPods case. It just feels like quality. Look at that. Here we go. Listen. Oh, so nice. So nice. There was a little bit of rattle in the door. I noticed that right away. Listen. You hear that? That's a little disappointing, but it's not a big deal. I'm just extremely picky about product design. So there are the AirPods. I'll put them in my ear in a second. Let's see what else we get here. Pull this out. We get little ear tips, which I likely won't need. And we do get a lightning cable. There you go. My God, it's like rocket science. Literally, it's like rocket science. Zero, I'm feeding you soon. Chill. It's that time of the day, so he knows he's going to be fed. Okay, so, as always, pairing AirPods to the iPhone should be incredibly, incredibly easy. Watch this. Here we go. Open up the case. Boom! There you go. AirPods Pro. Connect. God, I love Apple. I love their brand so much. Media control. Press once on either AirPod to play or pause, twice to skip forward, 3 times to skip back. Press and hold on either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation and transparency mode. Announce calls and notifications. Okay, so the right AirPod is already down to 25%, and the battery case is down to 17%. Damn, that's a lot lower than I thought. Not a big deal, I'm gonna charge them. I mean, again, it's not like I need these today. But here we go, guys. Okay, wow. What? Transparency mode definitely has to be on. It's, well, because I can hear myself clearly. It kind of sounds like voice monitoring that I use on my YouTube live streams with my mixer. Voice monitoring is huge, by the way. If you're not using it while live streaming, you're seriously missing out. Okay, so let's customize the settings. You can swipe down with Control Center, and there's your AirPods volume, right? Hold it down with your finger, and noise control, transparency is on. So that's why I hear everything. Noise cancellation, here we go. You know what, hold on. First, let's just do default. So everything is off. Like everything is actually off right now. Let me get this more in my ear. Everything is completely off. So I'm kind of hearing my voice. It's like a low frequency, which isn't very comforting. So let's turn on noise cancellation. Oh my God. The only thing I hear is the AirPods getting comfortable in my ears, you know, because they're kind of settling in. I can hear my fingers, but in terms of like environmental noise, I can't hear anything. It honestly feels like I'm in an extremely quiet room without wearing AirPods. So I'm having a little trouble with my left ear. I don't know if I have to change ear tips. This is exactly why I also want to get the Sony XM4s, because I'm not a big earbuds fan, but I wanted to give the AirPods Pro a fair chance, you know? Okay, so let's turn on transparency again. Wow. Now everything is kind of amplified, which is pretty cool. But yeah, the noise cancellation is good. Like, it's so good. There it goes again, like my left ear. I don't know, there's something about them. I might have to change ear tips. Anyway, let's play some music and see how these sound. I don't think I'm gonna be able to find spatial audio right now for you guys. I'm actually on Apple Music again, because I get 3 free months with my iPad Pro. Wait, hold on. Get 6 months free. What? 6 months? What was that from? Was that? You wanna stay in my ear? Maybe that was from the AirPods Pro, or my MacBook Pro, or iPad Pro. I mean, God knows I've been giving Apple plenty of money. Okay, for real this time. Here we go. My God, they're loud. Not bad. Change my EQ to hip hop so I get a little more bass. And I hope I'm not yelling. Not bad. It's not blowing my mind, but they're not bad. Okay, let me go to a bassier song. By the way, that was Godzilla by Eminem. Alright. So, first impressions. Audio quality, I typically have good ears, you know? It's not blowing my mind. Now keep in mind, I'm a big fan of over-the-ear headphones. I'm not a huge earbud kind of guy, you know? The only reason I chose these is because they're so damn convenient. You pop them in your ear, you charge them in the case, and boom, you're done. I don't think anyone really buys earpods, you know, for the audio quality, right? To be fair. And I love Apple. This is coming from an Apple fanboy, but I'm not afraid to say this. They're not blowing my mind yet. Now, To be fair, I haven't really listened to spatial audio yet. I gotta find a test clip. I'm in a test song for that, so I'll talk about that in a future video. I haven't really found an EQ I like, but they're good enough. You know, they're certainly good enough. I mean, I essentially got them for $100 off, which is awesome. And I really, really like the idea of just dropping them into the case, right? Like so. Charging it or whatever, and taking them on the go. That's huge. I don't buy AirPods for the audio quality. I buy AirPods for the convenience. But yeah, they're good enough. And well, honestly, the biggest thing I'm looking forward to is spatial audio. This is a little disappointing. The door isn't completely snug horizontally. I don't know, I'm just saying. Anyway guys, there you go. Those are my honest first impressions of the AirPods Pro. What do you think of the AirPods Pro? Let me know. And will I like the Sony XM4s? Those I'm more excited about, I'm not gonna lie. I love Apple, but over-the-ear headphones for me are the best choice. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Kind of surprising, I expected to love these more. Maybe I just need more time.